Hey there, and welcome to another video with me. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit your Shopify store. I'm going to be using one of my client sites that I'm still designing. This is my client. So I'm going to be explaining how to edit your Shopify store. So let's just assume you've built a Shopify store as it is, or maybe you've hired someone to build it for you and you like to know how to edit it. So first thing first, you need to log into your Shopify dashboard. And once you're logged into your Shopify dashboard, this is how it's going to look. And you will decide what you want to do into Shopify. So let's say we want to edit the front end, right? The front end is this specific site of the Shopify. So click here on online store, and then you click here on customize. So this is how our store look like, right? This is the outlook. Here on the left hand side is all those tabs. You can come here and add more tabs and play around. Right hand side, once I keep walking, you understand more. So for example, here on the header, if you click header, you see here logo aligned to the left, right? This is the logo. I've inserted this logo recently. I've just put the logo on the left because the logo tend to perform better on the left. However, if you want to have the logo on the center, you can have your logo on the center like this. Or if you want to have that on the left, leave it on the left. But any action that you do, let's say you put your logo on the left, let's say you put your logo on the center, what you have to do, you need to make sure you save, right? Any action you perform on your Shopify store, do make sure you save it. So I'll leave it on the left. And here, for example, custom logo width, you can play around with the custom logo width. If you want to change the logo, you can click here, change, and click here on change image, right? And then you need to either upload an image or you can use the current image you have here. So at the moment, there's no image available. Well, so at the moment, these are all the images. I want to keep this one. However, if I want to upload, so I can just upload an image here. And so menu here is basically main, right? Announcement bar. Most Shopify team do have an announcement bar. By the way, I'm using the debut team. Most of them do have an announcement bar, and all of them are more or less the same. So to show an announcement bar, you will have to tick this box, right? If you tick this box, it will show. If you untick it, the announcement bar will disappear. But let's just have the announcement bar for now. Here, text, right? You can play around with your text here. Here it says free shipping UK-wide because my client only wants to ship for free in the UK, but outside of the UK, people will have to pay for shipping. Link here, you can link, put a link for something if you want to, but that's something you don't really have to. But I'm just showing you. The bar, you can see the color bar here. If you don't like the color bar, you can just click here and change the color bar if you're not happy with it. So, and the text color are black. You can also change the text color. So that's pretty much it for the header. And let's go to the slideshow, for example. This is a slideshow, right? I do have two images on my slideshow, as you can see. Here, I have the first image, which is this one. And this is basically the image, right? The way I designed this image, I went to a website called canva.com. So this is the website I've used, canva.com, to design this specific image, right? If you like to try Canva Pro for 30 days for free, you can try Canva Pro for 30 days for free. I'm going to leave a link in the description down below. By the way, Canva Pro has a lot of beautiful, amazing, outstanding, top-notch, one-of-the-kind features that you can think of, right? So I highly recommend you to use Canva Pro. However, if you want to use the free version, you can always use the free version because even the free version has a lot of features, but I highly recommend you to go for the Pro because the Pro offers you more option. And, as a business owner, you want to have more option. You want to explore more things and be able to do things the way you want to do. So highly recommend you Canva Pro. So that's what I use to design this header, as you can see here. If you click here, You know, I have a separate video where I show you how to design something like this as well, right? How to make the background transparent. You see the background is transparent. Even here, the background is transparent. It's not, I've done it on purpose, right? So, you know, there's a way to do that. And I do have a video where I show you how to do it. If you want to add another image to the slider, you can just click here, add image, right? And then you will come here and select the image and basically add the image you would like to add to the slider. But in this case, you know, we don't want to add another image. I just want to keep it low for now. So really, so basically I just want to keep it 2. I don't want to add another one, but you know where to add. So now the feature collection is this very collection here, right? So in order to have products in the feature collection, you have to do something. You must first of all create a collection, right? So we're going to leave this bit for now, and then we're going to go back to our dashboard. I will show you how to create a collection, right? So in order to create a collection, first thing first, you must add products. That's the very first thing you must do. And in order to add products, just click on add product and just name your product, right? So I've just named the product. Make sure you put the description here, right? And the media, upload the image here. So upload your images here. Make sure you upload as many images as you want. I will recommend you to upload about 5 images of your product from different angles. Upload a lot of images, but for this specific example, I will just put 1 for now because this is just an illustration, right? So here, pricing, just put a price. And here where it says compare price, right? The compare price here is basically, you know, the client is going to see, for example, here, for example, the price is £25, right? And the compare price is £35. So it's showing the customer they're actually saving £10 for this deal. So in this case, I'll just say £120. That's just an example, right? And here the cost per item, if I want to put the cost per item, I can put the cost per item. Is just for me to track and know how much I bought the item and how much I sold it. So I'll just say the cost per item here, £52. This detail the customer won't see, by the way. And here where it says charge tax on this product, I live in the UK. So before you start charging VAT in the UK on any products, you must be earning more than £85,000 a year. So my recommendation would be, if you're a beginner, untick this box. However, if you already making more than £85,000 a year on your business, then you have to tick that box, right? So SKU unit, stock keeping unit, is basically just a code that you put into your inventory just to identify a specific type of product. So it's something you have to come up with, right? So I can just say here, CTC, that's just an example, right? Here the barcode, you don't really have to put the barcode. Here where it says continue selling when out of stock, I'll just put the quantity. I'll just put 120 for now. This is a physical product, and then I'll just put 2 kilos, right? And I'll change the weight into kilograms. That's just an example. Now, country region of origin, I'll just say, this is just an example, guys. United Kingdom. Harmonized system code is something that has to do with custom, you know. So you can go on the government website and find this code based on the country you are. So custom is like if you live in the UK and you're shipping things to the US, you might need custom. Or if you live in Germany, you want to ship things maybe to Nigeria, then, you know, there's going to be custom involved. So just bear in mind, there's that part of custom. But in this case, we don't need this, right? So I'll just leave this bit like that. And here, this product has options. So if this product has many colors, I can just say, first of all, I'll just put the size, right? KT, right? This is just an example. But you guys can put, like, you know, because this is a kit stuff, right? So I'm just putting kids, like, you know, KT stands for kit, right? But you can put like an actual size here, small, medium, large. It really, like, you know, that's really up to you. And just click here, click on done, right? So now add another option here. If you want to add the color, just say the color, let's just say black, right? and just click on done. Okay, so here, for example, I've added several colors, as you can see, and different sizes. So I need to edit this. The price here, if I click here, for example, if I want to edit this in bulk, right, what I need to do here is I need to click here, select that, and click on options, edit prices, right? So it will give me the option to edit everything in bulk. If I want to, like, for example, if I want to change the price here, I can change the price, as you can see, yeah, all in bulk, and then I'll just click here on apply all, but I don't need to do that. Once I've done everything correctly, and what I need to do here, I need to add a tag to this product. So I'll just say kit cut, right? So just click on add, right? So this tag is going to be, so basically every single product that I would like to tag with the kit code, so I need to add this tag called kit code, right? So kit code. So here now, the vendor, I need to choose a vendor, right? Natural Vanessa, that's just an example. And here, the product template, just leave it the way it is, really. And make sure you come up here where it says product status. You need to select that to active. So make sure it's active, otherwise it will not, it won't populate. So once you've done everything accordingly, just make sure you click here on save. Oh, congratulations, guys. If you've managed to add a product, that's basically how you add a product, right? So once it says here active, your product has been successfully added. So now what you need to do is you need to add this product into a collection, right? So let's create a collection now. So let's just click here on collection for now. And at the moment, the only collection we have is your hair products, right? So if you click here on create collection, and then we're going to add a title here. So we're just going to call this kit cut. And then if you want to put a description there, just go ahead and put a description here. It's fine. Now, collection type, I would really like to go with the automated because it's so easy to add many products, especially when you have like tons of products. If you only have like 2 products, 3 products, you can go with the manual, which is still fine. However, I highly recommend you to go with the automated because the automated is stress-free, and that's what I prefer. So I'll stick with the automated for now. So product must match product tag equal to, and then I'll just put here kit code, yeah. So kit code, and here I'll just select an image, and here I need to click here on save. So it's now been saved. And as you can see, you remember the tag that we added on this product, right? So with this collection has identified a product on this specific category called a child code, right? So remember, we added kit code as a tag for this product. So therefore, we've now created a collection, and that product, this product belongs to this specific collection. So that's basically how you create a product and a collection. So now let's go back to our homepage here. So this is feature collection. We're going to create another collection just to show you how it works. So click on add section, and here, we're going to select feature collection. There's collection list and feature collection. I will explain to you what I mean by collection list in a minute. So just click on feature collection for now. And here on feature collection, I can decide how many rows I like. I like to have 1 row, right? And then how many products. So I like to have 3 products. Or if I want to have 4 products, I can go and have 4 products. That's just an example, right? But let's just say I like to have, 2 products, right? Now, if I've added that, right, this is 2 products. I need to make sure I now select the collection. So because our collection, kit codes, right, this only has 1 product, it's not going to show 2 products. Although this collection is for 2 products, right? But then if you want to change our collection to get this one, for example, This one is going to have two products. As you can see, two massive giant image. It looks beautiful, right? So just so you know, if you want to go ahead with like a number of products per column, you need to have the number of products into that specific collection. So yeah, so once you've done that, you now need to click here on select, right? And then make sure you save. So that was basically how to add a feature collection. But now I'll show you how to add, if I want to move this up, I can just move this up here, for example, right? I can just move it up here below this one. And this is going to look like this. I know this is confusing, but I'm just showing you. If I want to move it up, then I can move it up. And now, if I want to add like a collection list, right? A collection list is something different. It's like a list of collections. So let me change the title here. And then first collection, I can add. So I actually need to select the collection I want to add a collection into. So I'll just start with the kit code for now. And then click on select, then save. Go on the second collection. And then I'll just put that one there and make sure I save it. Right? So you can see that I've added two collections now on this collection list. And this is basically how it looks, a collection list. So it's very simple. It's pretty straightforward, guys. It's not that complicated. So now that you've added, right, if you want to add more things, you can always come here. Like if you want to add like a gallery, a blog post, custom content, and so on, you can come here and play around with it, right? Add what you want. So I'll just close this bit for now. I'll just close that bit for now. So now on the footer here, right? This is our footer. I've named this footer our policy. This is where I put all of all of my footer and stuff. If you want to know how to create a footer, I have a separate video on that, really. So I don't really want to spend time. But this is basically where to edit your footer. If you want to change the menu, you can just come here and change it, right? Customer service, basically the same thing. If you want to add blogs, you can come here and add, select what you want. Text, menu, newsletter, go ahead and choose anything you want there. Now, team settings. If you want to click here, when you click here on team settings, for example, if you come here on colors, right, you can see here the heading color is basically kind of a blue, right? The budget text is this color. The sales price is in red, right? If I want to change the sales price into a different color, I can just browse here and put the color I want. Just go back to color. So that's the same price, you can change the color. The button color, as you can see here, the button is green. I've put my color here into green. However, you can always put your color into any other colors you like. You can just click here and change the color. The primary label, white, secondary label, and borders, and so on. Image overlay, borderline, background color. So at the moment, this is our background color. This is kind of cream, right? So let me just copy this code because I'm going to need to put it back in a moment if I'm not happy with what I'm going to put. So first of all, if I want to change the color, right, for our background, I'll just play around with this color like this. And then, as you can see, our background color has changed, right? It looks different, isn't it? So now, if I'm not happy with this color, I can always delete this color and then paste the color I had before. This is the color I had before, and just make sure I save it. So whenever you come here to this area, copy your color first, maybe paste it in a Word document or on a note. Once you finish everything, right? If you're not happy with the color, you can always revert back to your previous color. So that's basically what color is, right? Now, opacity, guys, play around with the opacity here if you want to. Borderline, background, typography, for example. If you want to change the typography, you can change the typography here. You can click here on change, click on change and go ahead on. Now on the search, you know what, play on with that. Favicon is this small icon you see here. I've just put this bottle here. My client can always change it really. Now, add to cart notification, show notification when item is added to cart, currency format, but I'm using the pound here because I live in Britain. So my client lives in Britain. But if you're in another country, you can always change the currency on your backend. So check out, these are the things you can do on your checkout, select image, logo, position left, small, and so on, right? There's so many details here that you can play on with. So let's now go back to our backend. On our backend here, if we want to do like if you want to, for example, play around with our shipping zone, right? So let's just click on settings and click on shipping and delivery. So now, for example, here it says choose where you ship and how much you charge for shipping at checkout, right? So here, for example, all shipping rates, rate for EU, United Kingdom, and worldwide. So let's just click on manage rate. So at the moment, because we're in the UK, right, standard international, EU, right, this is the kind of a rate that we have here at the moment. So let's just click on edit rate. This is standard international 2 to 11 days. And this is how much it's going to cost, right? And there's no minimum price on spending. So if it doesn't matter how much this person spends, this is how much the person is going to pay. However, if you're not happy with this, we can always change this price if you don't like it. And we can always customize it here, right? Minimum, maximum, and so on. So just click on done. Here on the United Kingdom, for example, right? Standard 50 condition, £50 and up, right? 2 to 4 working days free. Standard 0 and up, 2 to 4 working days 5. So let's just click here and edit this detail for now. So 2 to 4 working days, that's UK, right? Base rate, minimum price is £50 sterling. Spending, you must spend this amount in order to benefit from free shipping. And let's click on this one and edit to see. So 2 to 4 working days based on order price. If I want to, for example, based on order price, if I want to put like a price here, I can just put it. Now, if I want to remove this condition, I can just remove this condition. But again, this is fine because that's basically, the one most people are going to choose, right? Now, worldwide rate, let's just click here for now click on edit, right? So our price for worldwide shipping is $23.99. So basically 24, right? This is just an example, guys. You can always change this later based on your minimum, add the condition, remove the condition, apply on. So that's how you play on with your shipping. And after you've done everything accordingly, just make sure you save it, right? If you want to add more pages, you can just come here to pages, right? And just click on add pages, name it. If you want to add like a play on with the menus here, you have the main menu here, you have the footer. Let's say I want to add things to the main menu, right? So what I will do is I'll click here on add menu item. I'll name this. And then I'll select where I want to link this. So let's say I want to link a collection to this, right? I'll just click here, kit collection, for example, and then I'll just click on add, right? So once I've added that, this basically means this is going to be on the menu, like the homepage menu. Let's just click on save menu. And let's go to our page now and just reload, right? So now we've reloaded, as you can see, we have free menu items or free pages, right? So we have a home, we have black hair essentials, and then we have beautiful products. So that's just the extra one that we created. Like that, that's how you add a collection or a page to your menu item. So that's it, guys. If you do have any questions about how to edit your Shopify store, drop it in the comment section down below. I'll be more than willing to answer. If you want to reach out to me for consulting, I'll leave the link on my calendar so you can reach out to me for consulting. Or if you need help with Facebook ad, Google ads, let me know. I'll be more than willing to help you. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to share it abundantly, and I'll see you next time. Take care.